And in this video, we're going to be adding audio and sound. So we're going to start off by clicking on this little spiky ball here, right? And hit the F key to frame it in. There we go. So we've got this spiky ball selected. And we're going to add what's called an audio source. Now, built into Unity, if you go to the camera, we have what's called an audio listener. So we just need one audio listener, but we're going to use an audio source here. We're going to click on this spiky ball and we're going to come on down and we're going to click on add component and we're going to start to type in audio and we're going to go down till we see audio source. Got it. There's our audio source. And we're not going to use any controllers or outputs right now. We're just going to use an audio resource. I happen to have this ping resource that I'm going to use. I'm going to drag this on over. And then I'm going to turn off, this is important, turn off play when awake and turn off loop, right? So, and then I need something to call it, which I already have. So I'm going to go up to this trigger event, hit this plus button, and I'm going to drag the spiky ball to itself. And then I'm going to say audio source play, right? That's it. Those are the steps. I'm going to push play in Unity. And when I go over to this spiky ball, you can hear it plays the sound, which is pretty cool, eh? All right, so let's repeat that exact same process again. We'll do that to that little cherry. So I've got my little cherry power up here. I'm going to click that cherry power up. I'm going to scroll on down, add component audio source, right? Pick the audio. You're going to have to find some audio if you don't have anything. I've got my ping here. I drag this to the audio resource. I'm going to turn off play on awake. See, if I leave that on, I push play, it's going to play the sound, right? We don't want that. So, and I just thought maybe my computer's not playing through for you. We'll figure that one out, right? Um, anyway, so then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll on down. We've got that ping right here. We're going to scroll back up to our trigger behavior event that we've got going on. We're going to hit this plus button. We're going to make sure that it's affecting the cherry power up, which is itself, and we're going to say audio source play. Again, make sure that looping is turned off and play on awake is turned off. Excellent. So now that that is done, we've configured our audio. We hit that cherry, it plays that ping sound. And if we hit this spiky ball, it plays that ping sound. I got audio started on the key. We'll work on how that works in the next video.